Hello students, in the previous video we introduced a biomolecule that is a protein and its monomeric unit that is amino acid. But do you know that what linkage are there between the amino acid? That is peptide linkages. As in the carbohydrate, repeating units are binded by glycosidic bond. In the same way, in proteins, the repeating units are binded by a linkage or the bond which is called as peptide bond. Let us discuss the formation of peptide bond. Let us take two amino acid here, amino acid 1 and amino acid 2. In the second amino acid, the amino group is highlighted here. In the first amino acid, acidic group is highlighted. Let us see how they get linked. Here the condensation reaction takes place between the acidic group of one amino acid, that is this, and the amino group of another amino acid. So there is a removal of water here, that is water is removed, and the product formed is called as dipeptide. Now here we can see this is the linkage formed here, that is called as a peptide linkage. So the product formed here having a linkage which is called as peptide linkage, which is highlighted here, and this product formed is called as dipeptide, which is highlighted here. The peptide bond is highlighted and the product is called as dipeptide. So let us take an example. Glycine and alanine are the two amino acid which is taken here. It undergoes condensation reaction to form a dipeptide which is called as glycylalanine. Here the name comes from the word glycine and alanine together comes glycylalanine, and here also there is a condensation reaction. So there is a removal of water from here. So the water is removed, OH from here, H from here. So the product formation, there is a linkage called as peptide linkage. So in the same way, whatever amino acids combines, the product formed name will be based on the name of the two amino acid which get binded. So the peptide bond formation takes place, and this peptide bond is actually planar. Planar means the C double bond O and NH are on the same plane. Let us do a question. Show the formation of peptide bond that forms between alanine and serine. Keep the amino acid in the order given here. So here what you need to do, the two amino acid which is given here, you need to make a peptide bond between these two by a condensation reaction. Just now we have done for glycine and alanine. You have to do in the same way here. Okay, all of you try this question at home. So how we can define a peptide linkage? Peptide linkage is formed by the condensation reaction between the carboxylic group of one amino acid and amino group of another amino acid. Similarly, when we take three amino acids, and here also condensation reaction takes place between them, and there is a removal of small water, that is OH from here, H from here, OH from here, H from here. That means 2 water is removed in this process. 2 water is removed, and this product formation is called as tripeptide. So tell me how many linkages are here. This is one linkage. This is the second linkage. That means 2 peptide linkages are there in tripeptides. So there we can, here we have highlighted the 2 peptide linkages in tripeptide. So similarly, we can make a chart here. So if two amino acids get combined, then it is called as dipeptide, and when three amino acids combine, it is called as tripeptide, 4 tetra, 5 penta, 6 hexa, and if it is greater than 10, then it is called as polypeptide. So here the number of peptide bond formation, here it is 1, in dipeptide it is 1, in tri it is 2, in tetra it is 3. So it does not mean that dipeptide means 2 peptide bond. No, it is 1 peptide bond. Okay, so that is, and if it have greater than 10, then the product formation which is taken place, that is called as polypeptide. So proteins are polypeptide. That means proteins have polypeptide chains of unique sequence of amino acid. So what is the homework for you? How many peptide linkages are there in a tetrapeptide? You need to find number of linkages in a tetrapeptide. Okay, so in the next video we'll be discussing on the structure of protein. Thank you everyone.